tour. So room tour of Hakone. Got some complimentary coffee, complimentary beer, pop, and we got ourselves our toilet, some mandatory slippers, bit of a sink, got yourself a little bathtub, and here we got our little personal onsen outdoors. Nice beautiful view of the forest. Can't wait to try that out. Back into the hallway. Gonna check out the bedroom. Not too shabby. Bedroom's already set up. Little TV. Not bad. And here we're walking into the living space. Got this nice big table. A little seating area. I'm sure that's where we're gonna have breakfast and dinner. A little TV, hot water. And we had our luggage delivered to our hotel, and that's our view. Another view, and that's about it. Got a little closet with some robes. Nice. And that's a quick tour of Hananoyado Fukuya.